Hey guys! Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to dive deep into the Agent 301 airdrop and how you can earn free tokens just by using your Telegram account. But before we jump into all the exciting details, I have something special for you. I'm CryptoHook, and I've got a giveaway for all my amazing viewers. Want to win $60? Here's how you can participate. Watch the full video. Like this video. Share it with your friends. Subscribe to the channel. And in the comments, let me know why you want $60. Once we hit 500 likes, I'll randomly select a lucky winner. So, get involved. It's that simple. Now, let's get right into today's airdrop. What is the Agent 301 airdrop on Telegram? Agent 301 is a newly launched Telegram mini app that allows you to track how many messages you've sent since you created your Telegram account. But that's not all. Based on the number of messages you've sent, you can earn points. These points can be converted into agent tokens through the TON blockchain, making it an easy way to mine tokens for your future crypto wallet. Agent 301 Telegram free airdrop. How it works. Agent 301 has partnered with BitGet, a reputable crypto exchange, to bring this exciting opportunity to Telegram users. The points you earn are based on your activity, how many messages you've sent. The more active you've been, the more points you'll collect. Here's how you can participate. Claim free airdrop points. Simply start by joining the Agent 301 bot, link in the description. Connect your TON wallet. Make sure to connect your TON blockchain wallet to keep track of your points. Daily check-in. Increase your earnings by logging in daily. Complete social tasks. Get rewarded by completing simple social tasks like following or retweeting. Spin the wheel. A fun way to earn additional points each day. And the best part? The Token Generation event, TG, is coming soon this October, which means you'll soon be able to convert your points into tokens. How to join the Agent 301 airdrop. Getting started is easy. Open Telegram and join the Agent 301 bot using the link in the description. Click Start, and the bot will tell you how many messages you've sent since signing up. Click Continue to receive points based on the number of messages sent. Complete tasks like daily check-ins, social tasks, and inviting friends to earn more points. The more active you are, the more agent tokens you can collect. Agent 301 Airdrop Listing Date and Prediction. Agent 301 is not just a fun project, it's also backed by BitGet Exchange, making it more credible. BitGet has confirmed that the agent token will be listed on their platform before October 31, 2024. This is exciting news for all participants. Here's what to expect. Agent 301 listing date. By October 31, 2024, you'll be able to trade your tokens. Agent 301 token price prediction. Based on market analysis, the price of the agent token is expected to be between 50 cents and $2 at launch. So, if you've been active on Telegram for a while, now's the time to take advantage of this free airdrop. Why should you join the Agent 301 airdrop? If you're a Telegram user, this is an easy and risk-free opportunity to start earning tokens simply by using the app you already use every day. You can collect agent tokens through daily check-ins, social tasks, and even by inviting friends. It's a win-win. The Agent 301 airdrop is one of the simplest and most exciting ways to earn tokens just by chatting and being active on Telegram. With BitGet backing the project and the token listing coming soon, it's a perfect chance to get in early and maximize your rewards. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button. Subscribe to the CryptoHook channel for more updates ***. Drop a comment below sharing your thoughts on the Agent 301 airdrop. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to participate in the $60 giveaway. Stay tuned for more updates, airdrops, and crypto news. See you in the next video. Until then, happy mining!